Hey there, I'm Shosurya back with Intel XDK for you. So let's see about the Intel XDK. Go to the site and download the Intel XDK according to your operating system. And then I have pre-installed my Intel XDK. I'm choosing a standard HTML5 app with user app designer and naming up my app with the RSS apps. And then initializing my app with settings, and it asks us for a framework, and I choose Ionic as a framework, which is my favorite framework for developing mobile apps. And then now we have control panel, we have panel on our left hand side with lot of UI options and service components and controls. We could search for a component and we could drag and drop with the UI. So now I drag and drop with the header UI from Ionic, and I'm renaming as my blog name. And even you can choose your own class styles. I'm choosing asset. Moving on, I'm choosing a list view to display the RSS feeds. And then now we need to define a web service. Intel XDK provides A to Z web services from GitHub, like the similar to many web services. I choose RSS, and moving down we choose RSS request, and then I use my own blog service or blog RSS URL and pasting it and giving it a try to get the response from the website. I mean the RSS feed. I'm taking this. I'm choosing the response, the title name, author, and then content, URL, and other essential data to show on the list. Just search through your response data and choose the data. I've chosen about 4 data types from my response. Actually, this is blogger atom XML, which can be formatted with JSON. And now I'm giving a name for my application and create the data binding with UI app layer with app designer. And we need to bind the data with the UI. Just choose with as a service model with RSS apps, and then data path with data entry data, and just by clicking the data type, and we could map the components just like this, which you have selected before in previous part from the response data. And it has an Intel XDK has a weird bug where array is not mapped properly. Just you have to map it as a JSON response, and we try to emulate now. Yeah, we got the response as a HTML5 app. Now I am pushing my application to the cloud with my account sign in to test the application in my local Android device right now. That's it. I am moving into the application and just recording. Just download the app preview from the Play Store, which is released by Intel, and log in with your account. And I have chosen my app application as RSS apps, and just try to launch your app. It may be slow because it needs to download from the cloud and then run your HTML5 and CSS JavaScript app, and it's going to be here. Yeah, the data has been pulled from our RSS service and it's displaying perfectly as an list view with the avatar images. Just clicking on it, moving you'll be navigated into your blog URL appropriately, and back you'll be coming back to your original app. Thus, this is a simple RSS application by using Intel App XDK in 5 minutes. That's it.